Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. Today we are going to be making a green chili verde salsa. Just a salsa, not for canning. I'm probably going to be using this to make enchiladas this evening. Not quite sure yet, maybe just a dip for sauce, but I've had these tomatillos sitting here and they really need to be roasted and used up before they go bad. So you can see some of these are getting a little bit rusted on there, so yeah, they need to be used. This is not going to make a whole lot, and I am roasting this. So, and I have a poblano or pasilla pepper there, and then an Anaheim. This is like a hatch chili, but a little bit different flavor, not as hot as a hatch chili. Hatch chilies are from New Mexico, and they come out around July or August. And I do have some frozen, but I just bought an Anaheim for this one, and then just a little bit of onion. Then I'm going to put in some of my garlic. Normally you would roast a couple of cloves of garlic with this as well. So we are just going to roast this in a 425-degree oven for probably about 20 minutes until these are blistered and soft, and until these get a nice little char on them, and you can take off the skin, and then I will show you guys what to do next. Super, super easy recipe. Okay, so here we have them all roasted. I'm going to put the 2 peppers in a plastic bag and let them sweat so I can take the skin off, and I'm going to put the rest into a blender as soon as it cools off a little bit. Okay, you guys, so here we are. I've already taken the peppers out, and the Anaheim pepper and the pasilla pepper are both in there, peeled and ready to go. Forgot to put my camera on, honestly. So I am going to take the onions and just pick these up, seeds and all, and put them right into the blender. And I'm gonna carefully pick the tin foil up, which is why I put it on tin foil, and get all the juices in there, and I'll show you how I blend it. Okay, so there we have all of the tomatoes and the onion and the peppers in there. So I put aside some of my garlic. I'm going to put that in here. Oops. Add that to the top. And I have a cluster of cilantro. And we're going to add that. Now there should be enough liquid in there to make a nice salsa. I have yet to decide what I'm going to do with this because I actually just got home. So what I do with this is going to be in a different recipe, but let's turn this on and see what it does. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you what this looks like. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to make a nice recipe tomorrow, but I'm not sure what. So let's see. Let's get a spoon and taste this. Okay, so I'm thinking it's going to be a little bit hot. Oh, look at that. It's nice and thick. Perfect for any sauce. And if I want to make something where I need it a little bit thinner, I can put some chicken broth in it or some hot water. Okay, let me taste this. Oh man. Oh, that's really good. Wow. So actually, I think what I will do tomorrow is get some pork and make some fresh pork chili verde, because this is absolutely amazing. So I am going to put this in a jar and put it in the refrigerator until tomorrow. And oh my gosh, you guys, you have to try this. This is so good. So good. Okay, so here we are, you guys. I made a quart of it. No, I'm not canning this. This is going straight into my refrigerator. I'm going to use it tomorrow. My husband just tasted it. He likes it. So yeah, we didn't have that many tomatillos. But just adding that pasilla pepper and the Anaheim pepper and a little bit of garlic and cilantro. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Boy, if you guys haven't tried this, give this a try. I know in some areas you guys can't even get Mexican food like this, but you sure can make it. So get yourself some ingredients and try it and let me know what you guys think. So the word of the day today is going to be Salsa Verde. And let me know if you've ever tried it and what you guys think of it. And absolutely let me know if you guys try this recipe and what you think. Because it is really good, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Stay tuned because there's going to be a recipe with this real soon.